Hey guys, hello everybody. Welcome to MM's Kitchen. Welcome to the Being Chumbow channel. We hope you've been enjoying all the videos we've been making so far and have been enjoying the challenges we've been making and stuff. So today I am in the kitchen. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to make Cameroonian ching ching. Ching ching is made in West Africa, I think all over West Africa, and I know for sure in Nigeria. But I'm gonna show you how I make it myself, and I hope you like it and you try the recipe and let me know how it comes out for you. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients you're gonna need for this thing, ching ching, CHIN, ching ching. Also remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell as well when you subscribe so that you can know when we post amazing videos for you guys. But for now, let me show you what you're gonna need to make amazing the best ching ching ever. Okay guys, so as you can see, you're gonna need lemon zest. So I'm just gonna use, you can use orange as well, but I use lemon zest. It's already washed, it's ready to go. I'm just gonna grater it and use, don't grater the white part, just grater the top yellow part. Once it starts, when you peel off the white, the yellow, don't grater the don't grate don't grate the white stuff. I'm gonna use 2 eggs. Here we go, 2 eggs. I'm gonna have 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna have 500 grams of flour. I'm gonna also have sugar and evaporated milk, a pinch of salt, just a bit of the cardamom and cinnamon spice. Some people use nutmeg. I'm not gonna use nutmeg because I don't have it, but I also use this and it still works good for me. And baking powder, just a spoon. And then I'm gonna have 2 bowls because we're gonna do the dry stuff in one and then the liquid stuff in one and then mix them up together. And so let us do this. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've got my lemon and I've got, so you're gonna use the finest side of your grater to just grate away. So as you can see, it's turning whitish at some point. Yeah, that means I'm really getting the skin out. So now I'm gonna stop here. I've got everything that I could get out of this. So I'm gonna put it aside. I don't need it. I'm just gonna make sure I have all the zest that I can get from the grater. And I'm gonna get my 2 eggs now. And I'm gonna crack it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna measure our sugar and our milk and pour it right here where we already have the eggs and the lemon zest. So we're gonna need 1/2 cup of sugar, which is like equivalent to 8 tablespoons, and then you're gonna need 1 cup of your evaporated milk. And I like this particular brand. You can use whatever brand you find comfortable. All right. That's how your mixture is gonna look right now. You're gonna put this aside now. So you're gonna get your other empty bowl and put in the flour and everything else. okay? Remember, remember this butter, I've not yet made it room temperature, but I'm about to. But yeah, you need it at room temperature. And then so I'm gonna mix that with the flour and the other spices and some salt, okay? All right. So now I have my butter and I'm gonna rub in flour. You're gonna use your fingertips for this session. Just a pinch of salt, which is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for this whole thing. There we go. So you're gonna keep doing this with your hands till it looks like breadcrumbs, till your mixture looks like breadcrumbs. And you're gonna keep adding the spices and the baking powder. So now you're gonna need your 1 teaspoon of baking powder, which I just use this, and I'm gonna just get a teaspoon of that. There you go, teaspoon. And half a teaspoon of each of the spices I'm trying to put in there. Teaspoon of each. Teaspoon of that. Teaspoon of my cinnamon. Whoops. There you go. And I am done. So you keep going with your mixture until they feel like breadcrumbs, right? So, see, that's all mixed up. Looks like breadcrumbs to me, right? What do you guys think? I think it does. All right. So I think it's time for us to mix in our earlier mixture of eggs, milk, and sugar and lemon zest into this mixture. Salt, babe. I'm bringing in my egg mixture, which is ready to go in here. We're mixing it up to form a dough. Okay, so now I'm gonna flour my surface. And I'm just gonna split it into 2 pieces so that it's easier for me to roll. And now we're gonna roll it. Okay? So you just wanna roll it away. This is usually fun though. So you want it as flat as possible. Not too flat, but flat enough to, because we're gonna cut it into pieces ready for the oil, ready for frying. So you're gonna knead it kind of flat, but not too flat, right? Okay. And then we're gonna cut it into tiny rectangles in whatever shape you want. And that's how you're gonna fry it. Feels so good. So you're gonna cut them using your knife or your pizza cutter if you have one into rectangular shapes. This is gonna be like a lot of ching ching. but I know that JP loves ginger. I love ginger, so it's not gonna last for that long. No sir, no ma'am. So just gonna cut them into pieces, right, for us to throw into the fire or into the oil. So that's how you're slicing them. And you're trying to put them apart so that they don't get tangled up together. Hey guys, so as you can see, we're done cutting it up. Looks like many pieces which are supposed to be put together, but nope, that's how ching ching is gonna look. And while I was cutting it up, I heat up my oil for 10 minutes on high temperature, but now I've put it on medium, and I'm gonna fry it in small batches and then put it here on the paper towel tray to drain the oil. So let's go.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, looks like the fire was too high, so I've brought it down even lower because I tried putting this in, and look how blackish they are. So we're gonna wait for the oil to cool down and then we're gonna start. So this is how it looks. This is our first round, and we're just gonna fry them till they start turning golden brown all around, and then I'm gonna take it out. And I still have a bit more to do. There we go. Look at his face. He's been eating everything I made in the first round. JP just finished it. It's good, right? So this is the second batch, and it's slowly getting ready. This is the first batch, which JP has eaten most of. But yeah, so second batch. Okay guys, so we're getting the last batch out, and then we're just gonna let it cool. And once it's cool, really cold, you can now store it in like an airtight jar or something, or a plastic bag, like a plastic bag. You just tie it like a clean Ziploc or something, and yeah, I think that's it. So that's it. Okay guys, so now as you can see, there we go. That's our ching ching, and we're just gonna let it cool, and after that it's ready to eat. And you can eat this, you can serve this to guests when they visit your home. You can eat it as a snack. I know JP loves it because he's been nagging me in the kitchen the whole time I was making it. But you can have it just as a snack or as dessert or whatever you want to use it for. So make sure you click the subscribe button and comment and let us know what else you'd like to see us post. And we're gonna do a mukbang video as well for Nigerian jollof and African food. See you next time. Bye.